Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to our channel English with Basir. I hope all of you are enjoying your Eid holidays with your family and friends. Today I'm very excited because I'm going to share our beautiful trip to Tirah on the third day of Eid. It was a day of full of happiness, adventure, delicious food and unforgettable memories. So stay with me till the end because this vlog is going to be very interesting. Okay, on the third day of Eid, we woke up very early in the morning. The weather was pleasant and cool. Everyone in the house was excited because we had already planned a family trip to Tirah Valley. We quickly got ready, packed some snacks, water bottles, tea, and traditional Eid food. My younger brothers were very happy. They were taking pictures and making videos before leaving home. The excitement on everyone's face made the morning even more beautiful. After offering Fajr prayer, we started our journey. The roads were crowded because many people were also going to enjoy Eid holidays with their families. The journey to Tira was absolutely amazing. The mountains, green fields, fresh air, and beautiful views made us feel relaxed and peaceful. During the journey, we listened to songs, talked with each other, and laughed a lot. Every few minutes, we stopped to take photos because the scenery was breathtaking. The natural beauty of Tira is truly incredible. Tall mountains touching the sky, cool wind blowing softly, and green trees everywhere created a magical atmosphere. While traveling, we also saw many families enjoying picnics on the roadside. Children were playing happily, and people were preparing barbecue and tree. Finally, after a long but enjoyable journey, we reached Tirah. The place looked even more beautiful and real life. The weather there was cooler than the city, and the air felt fresh and clean. As soon as we arrived, everyone was enjoying the peaceful environment. Some people started making tea while others prepared lunch. The sound of birds, the beauty of mountains, and the calm atmosphere made us forget all our worries. It was the perfect place to spend Eid holidays with family. After some rest, we started exploring the area. We walked through small hills and took many photos and videos. My cousins played cricket while children ran around happily. One of the best moments of the trip was after lunch. We made hot tea. Drinking tea in such a beautiful weather felt absolutely perfect. Some family members started singing traditional songs while others enjoyed the natural scenery quietly. Iraq is truly one of the most beautiful places. Everybody, you look, there is greenery, mountains, and peace. The beauty of nature reminds us how amazing Allah's creation is. We spent some time simply enjoying the silence and cool breeze. In busy city life, we rarely get such peaceful moments. That trip gave us mental relaxation and happiness. Many tourists were also visiting the area on the holidays. People were taking selfies, recording videos, and enjoying quality time with their loved ones. As the evening started, the sunset created an unforgettable view. The golden sunlight falling on the mountains looked magical. We captured many photos to keep these memories forever. Before leaving, we prayed and thanked Allah for such a beautiful day. Then we packed our things and started our return journey. Even though we were tired, we were very happy. The whole trip was full of fun, love, and family bonding. On the way back home, everyone kept talking about the best moments of the day. So, friends, this was our amazing trip to Tira on the third day of Eid. It became one of the most memorable Eid celebrations for us. Spending time with family in such a beautiful place is truly a blessing. I hope you enjoyed this video and felt like you were traveling with us. If you liked this vlog, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel English with Basir. Stay connected, stay blessed. See you in the next video. Also, comment below and tell us how you celebrated your Eid holiday. Thank you so much for watching. Allah Hafiz and see you in the next video.